Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the desk pad, and to be honest I didn't know that the desk pad had such an impact on the typing experience. I'm using a K3 here, a Keychron K3 with the clicky blue switches and the linear white. And
hey, is this the one where you do all the switches, like orange, black, everything?
No, this is the one with the blues and the whites.
But you said in that video in the comments that you would do all the switches, like every single switch.
I know, I'm working on it.
When will I know when it's up?
Just subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Ah,
You'll know when it's up.
good point.
Okay. So, do you need a desk pad or not? Well, let me be frank, it's an amazing experience compared to the dull, hollow desk that I have. This video is going to be some sound comparisons, and you'll hear for yourself the difference between the two. Let's go. I really hope you were able to hear the difference. If it's not that obvious in the videos, to me it's a big difference. Hopefully you could hear it in the videos. It's totally worth getting a desk pad for your keyboard, in my opinion. Not only does it sound better, but it also feels better, and the keyboard doesn't slip or slide. Everything's just sits tight. And the hollowness of this desk versus maybe like a full wood desk, that's a bit different. But even then, I think a desk pad is also the way to go. Let me know in the comments below what kind of desk pad you have. I'm always looking for things to try out. Yeah, let me know if you have any better alternatives or if you agree or disagree. I would love to hear about it. The desk pad that I have is from Delta Hub. It's their wide medium pad. I think for this desk it's pretty good. It would also be good to have one of the extra large ones. And you can also see that when you want to move stuff around, maybe just grab your laptop like that. It's super smooth. It's a really nice layout, and yeah, it works really well. It's also a very nice addition to the desk in terms of visuals. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll hope to see you back here next time.